Hello everyone, and welcome to Cibertips. In today's video, we be diving deep into one of the most dangerous and sneakiest threats in cybersecurity, the man-in-the-middle attack, or MITM for short. This kind of attack is silent and invisible to most users, yet it allows a hacker to intercept, read, and even manipulate the information exchanged between two parties, all without either party realizing what is happening. Imagine someone secretly listening to your private conversations, stealing your passwords, or altering your messages, without you having the slightest clue. That's the power of a man-in-the-middle attack, and understanding it is crucial to staying safe online. Before we jump in, if you want to stay ahead in cybersecurity and learn how to protect yourself from threats like these, make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and ring the bell so you never miss an update from Cibertips. Your best defense online is knowledge, and I'm here to give you the tools to defend yourself in this fast-changing digital world. Now, let's explore what a man-in-the-middle attack really is, how it works, why it's so effective, and most importantly, how you can protect yourself from falling victim. The core idea behind a man-in-the-middle attack is simple yet terrifying. The attacker positions themselves between two people who believe they communicating directly. It is like having a secret eavesdropper who doesn't just listen, but can also alter the conversation to their advantage. This attack can happen in many ways, on public Wi-Fi networks, through fake websites, or by exploiting vulnerabilities in your device or browser. One of the most common scenarios is when you connect to an unsecured public Wi-Fi hotspot, like at a cafe, airport, or hotel. These networks are often poorly protected, making it easy for attackers to set up what is called a rogue access point, a fake Wi-Fi network disguised as a legitimate one. When you connect, the attacker sits right in the middle of your communication with the internet, intercepting everything you send and receive. They can steal your passwords, credit card details, personal messages, and even hijack your online accounts. But it's not just public Wi-Fi that's vulnerable. Man-in-the-middle attacks can also happen through DNS spoofing, where the attacker tricks your device into connecting to a fake website that looks exactly like the real one. You might enter your login credentials without realizing you're giving them directly to a hacker. Similarly, HTTPS stripping attacks downgrade your secure connections to unencrypted ones, exposing your data in plain text. What makes these attacks so dangerous is that they're often invisible. Unlike malware that might slow down your device or pop up warnings, a man-in-the-middle attack can silently capture your information without any obvious signs. That's why education and awareness are so important. To understand this better, let's imagine a real-life example. Suppose you're logging into your bank account using your laptop at a coffee shop. You see the Wi-Fi network coffeeshop_free_Wi-Fi and connect. But in reality, the attacker set up a fake network with that exact name. When you type your username and password, the attacker intercepts these details. They could immediately access your bank account, drain your funds, or use your identity for fraud, all without you ever knowing. Now, you might be wondering, how can I protect myself from such an invisible threat? The good news is there are effective steps you can take. First, avoid using public Wi-Fi for sensitive activities like online banking or shopping. If you must use it, always connect through a trusted virtual private network, or VPN. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic, creating a secure tunnel between your device and the internet, which even a man-in-the-middle attacker can't penetrate. Second, always check for HTTPS in the website's URL before entering any personal information. HTTPS means the website encrypts data between your browser and the server, making it much harder for attackers to intercept or alter your data. Also, watch out for browser warnings about invalid certificates. They often signs of a possible MITM attempt. Third, keep your devices and software updated. Many attacks exploit known vulnerabilities that have patches available. Regular updates close these security holes before attackers can use them. Fourth, enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. Even if an attacker steals your password through a MITM attack, 2FA adds to a layer of protection by requiring a second verification step, like a code sent to your phone. Beyond personal precautions, organizations also need to implement strong network security, monitor for unusual activity, and educate their employees about phishing and suspicious links, common entry points for man-in-the-middle attacks. It's also important to mention some advanced techniques attackers use to perform MITM attacks, such as ARP spoofing. This technique manipulates a network as address resolution protocol to associate the attacker's address with the address of a trusted device, redirecting traffic through the attacker's system. Similarly, Wi-Fi pineapple devices are popular tools among hackers for attacks. These gadgets mimic legitimate Wi-Fi hotspots and harvest data from unsuspecting users. Understanding these tools helps cybersecurity professionals defend against them. Now, let's talk about real-world cases that highlight the danger of MITM attacks. In 2011, the infamous Superfish incident involved a pre-installed software on certain laptops that inserted ads by intercepting encrypted web traffic. Although intended as advertising, this behavior opened the door for attackers to perform MITM attacks easily. Another notable case was the hack of a major telecom company's network where attackers used ing-miting techniques to intercept calls and data, exposing millions of users to espionage. These examples show that MITM attacks aren't just theoretical, they have real, serious consequences for individuals and companies alike. So, what's the takeaway? Man-in-the-middle attacks are a hidden but powerful threat in today's connected world. They rely on deception, invisibility, and technical vulnerabilities to steal information right under your nose. But with knowledge and proper precautions, you can significantly reduce your risk. Remember to always question the security of networks you connect to. Use VPNs on public Wi-Fi. Ensure websites use HTTPS. Keep your devices updated and activate two-factor authentication whenever possible. By understanding the nature of these attacks and taking proactive steps, you empower yourself against the silent hackers lurking between your digital communications. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Cibertips for more deep dives into cybersecurity threats and defenses. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Stay safe, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.